Do you have Sharpies on your whiteboard or your window? I'm Jenny from Jenny's Crayon Collection, and I'm gonna help you guys solve that problem. It's super easy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I help you guys find the coolest art supplies for whatever project you're doing. And today we are gonna clean off our whiteboards and windows from permanent marker because who knows how it got there, but we want it gone. Here's our nice pristine whiteboard. We're gonna get these Sharpies and color on it with all these different Sharpies, and we will take it off. Let's just choose different colors. We are just gonna go to town on this thing. Pretend it was a child that came over and said, hey, I see like 100 Sharpies. I'm gonna color all over this thing. Our black is not really black. You can see that one's old, but it still does the job. Our whiteboard just got colored all over on by these Sharpies because we left them out. Uh-oh, it won't come off, it won't come off. Magic is these markers. These are called dry erase markers. You could use any type of dry erase markers. So what you're gonna come down here and do is you're just gonna color it over like this. Gonna wipe it away. Look at that. Everywhere I colored, it is gone. Wipe it away. It is gone. There'll be a little residual ones. Just come through and get it. You can try the same approach on walls. Walls are more porous, meaning that they absorb the color more, but you can try this on walls too with dry erase, at least to start, and then maybe you could do another method. I have another video on how to get Sharpie out of walls. So look at that. You thought your dry erase board was gone, you were gonna have to get a new one. Let's say you're at school, you're a teacher, and your students colored over all your nice dry erase board, and you're like, oh no, what am I gonna do? Well, look, it's all gone. And you could go over it with like a different color just to make sure everything's gone, but that thing is gonna be gone. Now that you've seen that, let's go try this on the window. Just to let you guys know, I have not tried this on the window before. I'm gonna write on blue. We're gonna try this. Color over my Sharpie with my permanent marker. Not permanent, my dry erase marker. And wipe it away, just like we wiped it off our dry erase board. You can do this on the windows and the dry erase board because their surface is not very porous. They don't absorb the color.